Chris here in Barcelona at the MWC with my day one coverage. This is Huawei's Matebook 13, so 13-inch laptop with a very nice screen on it. It's touch. Now the screen, it has a resolution of 2160 by 1440p. It does look very nice. Nice large trackpad here. Good keyboard, so it's edge to edge. Power button has incorporated a fingerprint reader on it. We also have Huawei's Share, which is called. So the configuration comes with 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage, or up to 512. It's NVme PCIe storage. I think they're using Samsung drives. It of course is running Windows 10 Home, and it is powered by the Core i7-8565U or the i5-8265U. So those are Whiskey Lake processors. The bezels on the screen are very slim, as you can see, and right up the top you've also got the webcam up there, so they didn't have to resort to putting it down the bottom or a pop-up camera like the first MacBook Pros. Now the keyboard is backlit. It does have good key travel. Just pressing down really hard, I can't really feel any flex with that, which is great. Capacity is 42 watt hours, so I don't imagine this is going to have an amazing battery life, especially with that resolution, that screen, and being touch. I would think probably about 5 to 6 hours, and that's just a guess. Now for ports, it's pretty slim picking, so we have 2 Type-C ports on either side, and you can get it configured with discrete graphics, so Nvidia's MX150, and they're not using the crippled 15 watt TDP version, it'll be the 25 watt one, so you get the maximum performance there. This current model that they have on display is using the Intel UHD Graphics 620. Bottom we have an intake vent here, exit vent right here. Now I can't judge, because it's very loud here, just how that fan noise is going to be. I'd have to get hands-on with it, of course. And then 2 downwards firing speakers left and right there. Don't particularly like the location with downwards firing speakers because you muffle them if you end up using this on your lap. And on the top we do have a Huawei logo, which actually sticks out. It doesn't sit flush with this finish. There's a little bit of flex on the top of the lid. It's a matte aluminium build that they are using. Build quality overall does feel very good. Huawei hasn't posted specs on the weight of it. It does feel quite heavy. I would give it an estimated weight of about 2 kilos, so it's not the lightest. So that is the Huawei Matebook 13. It looks like a great laptop from what I can tell from my first hands-on and first impressions here. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe for more MWC coverage. Bye for now.